How to add any song to Spotify. So if you want to add any song to your Spotify, then first you need to open up your Spotify application, or you can also go with your browser. So click and open up your Spotify application. Make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, go for the upper left, which has that three dots, and then you need to go for the edit option. And under edit, you may have preferences option on the bottom. Click on preferences, and here it will take you to this kind of page. Now, you may have local files option, but if you don't have that local files option individually, then you will have your library, and under your library, you will have show local files. So click and toggle that on. Once you toggle that on, now you'll be able to add songs. So click on show local files and turn that on. Once you turn that on, now here it will ask you show songs from. So you can choose downloads or music library, or you can add any source. So I'll be okay with these two options. So you can also choose the third option, which is add a source. Click on add a source, and then you can simply make a folder with the audio or the music in it. And once you've downloaded or once you've added the folder, you need to simply go for your um, folders. For example, if you have your folder under your downloads, then you can simply go and click on that folder. And then you can simply choose the folder and click on OK, and your um, folder has been added. Now, once you've done, you need to simply go back, and now you need to simply go for the playlist. So here you will have your playlist, and here under your playlist, you will have something as local files. So these are from my computer or my desk. So if you have something on your local files, then you will be able to watch that here, or if you have something on your local files, then that's visible here. So, like this, you can have your playlist or your voice or your audio or your song, right? So, what you need to do is you need to simply go for your files, and then you can add some videos or something to your files. So, for example, if you go for the folder or if you have the audios, you need to simply go for the audios, and then you need to save your audios or save your music to, for example, I have these two audios, right? So you need to simply make a folder of that two videos. So for example, I've made a folder which says May 17, right? You can also rename the folder anything that you would like. And once you've added the folder or made the folder, now you can go back to the Spotify and go to the upper left, which has the three dots, go for the edit and preferences, and here, if you scroll down, you will have add a source option, right? Click on add a source, and then go for the downloads and choose the folder that you have just added or the folder which has the audio in it. So click on the folder and then click on OK, and make sure that it is toggled on. Once you toggle that on, now you can simply go back, and here you can see that you will have your local files, and under your local files you will have your videos. So if you want to add that videos to a playlist, then it's a simple process. You need to simply go for the right side, which has that three dots, and then go for add a playlist or add to playlist, and then you need to create a new playlist if you want to, or you can add to existing playlist. So that's it. That's how you can add a new song or any song to your Spotify. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.